Hello YouTube, today we're going to see how to fix high disk usage in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. To fix this, follow the steps. You have to go to search and then you have to go to task scheduler and just open task scheduler. If you are having some error messages which are popping up, just close it and make it as full screen. So here you have to go to task scheduler library, then you have to go to Microsoft. From Microsoft you have to go to Windows, and from Windows you have to go down to customer experience improvement program. So this is the culprit which is causing the issue. So you have to disable this consolidator. So I have disabled it already. So you have to right click and click on disable. So you'll be having something like this. You have to right click, similar to how I do for the uploader. You have to right click and click on disable. So once you disable, just you have to close this particular task scheduler, and you can see the disk usage in your taskbar, which will be reduced to less than 10%. So this will be the solution for fixing the issue. Just tell me in the comment section below the solution work for you. Give a like and subscribe to our channel for more fixes like this. Thank you.